Say hello to Chairman's Reserve Prime Pork, a signature offering delivering mealtime excellence from start to finish. Hand-selected, hand-trimmed, all-natural pork, minimally processed with no artificial ingredients. Chairman's Reserve Prime Pork specifications rival all competitors in the marketplace. How do we do it? Uncompromising standards, plain and simple. Marbling, color, and pH are the heart of Prime. To get through the door, scoring in the top percentile for every one of those categories is a must. About marbling. It's those delicious white flecks of intramuscular fat that truly elevate the flavor of the meal. The more marbling, the better the meal. The first step to pork making the prime cut is making sure the marbling scores are between 3 and 5 on the National Pork Board Standards Evaluation Scale. And what about color? You don't want it to be too dark, and pale pork can result in a flavorless meal. According to the National Pork Board rankings, Chairman's Reserve Prime Pork is right where you want a cut of pork to be for color. Remember, when in doubt, think deep pink. Here's a quick rundown of pH in pork. Think of pH as the gatekeeper to perfection. The pH level in pork determines two things: water holding capacity and color. Too much or too little, and the result is no good. pH levels for Chairman's Reserve Prime Pork are between 6 to 6.5, optimal for getting the most tender, juicy eating experience. With superior standards comes the need to back it up. We headed to the MasterChefs Institute to put our pork through their 4-step process. An international association of experts with more than 190 years of combined food service experience, only 67 chefs in the world can claim certified MasterChef status. And of that select group, only 10% are invited to the MasterChefs Institute. The MasterChefs Institute put Chairman's Reserve Prime Pork through 1,350 test and evaluation points. They inspected things like color, marbling, firmness, and aroma, as well as product application tests to make sure quality comes through where it matters, in your kitchen. When the results were in, their findings noted the most important sensory factors were their significantly more appealing color as well as higher degree of marbling. The last line of upholding quality before Chairman's Reserve Prime Pork is handed to you are the Chairman's Reserve Certified Butchers. Specially trained to assist you in store, certified butchers have an extensive knowledge in the finer points of prime pork. Just head over to our website to find out where your nearest certified butcher is and pay them a visit for the perfect cut of prime pork. And there you have it, a look into what makes Chairman's Reserve Prime Pork a cut above. Until next time, we hope you enjoy cooking up some prime dining. And remember, no bragging with your mouth full.